And special thanks to our friends at Syncwire who were nice enough to send us this magnetic car vent mount. Nothing really around the edges. And the back just has some of the features as well as company information. This is the model SW-MPH 982 in the space gray color. Let's open it up. See what we have here. So right on top, nice little packet. Includes your user's manual. So that'll tell you everything I won't tell you here, although you'll basically know how to use this by watching this video. It includes 2 magnetic strips. You could put these on like an Android phone that does not have MagSafe so that you could use it with this mount. Or of course, if you have a case on your phone, this might also help, and a warranty policy. Then we have the main part of the mount here. How this works is you turn this to make this extend out like so. Then you're able to stick this into your vent on your car, and then once you have it placed, you're able to turn this so that this comes back and grabs the back of the vent. That way it doesn't just fall off your vent like they used to when they used clips. Outside of that, have your main piece here, and well, that's it for the box. Now with the main piece here, you're able to see nice black magnetic car vent mount with the Syncwire logo. Just unscrew this, slide this onto here, and then pop this right in place. Once you have this part mounted, you then choose the angle you want your phone to be. Once you have that figured out, you can just tighten this up, and bada bing, there is your magnetic car vent mount. So now it's ready to go. If you have one of these installed or an iPhone 12 series or later, you just bam, pop it right on. It'll hold your phone while you're driving so you can see your maps, navigation, music, etc. Then when you're done at the end of the day, pull off your phone and you're good to go. That will essentially do it for the Syncwire magnetic car vent mount. Thanks again to Syncwire who was nice enough to send this to me. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Deuces.